Now, our solfege ladder is important today because we're going to move all of our steps of the scale over onto the staff. The staff is those lines, horizontal lines, and the spaces between them that you see music notes written on a sheet of music. Now, I'm fibbing a little bit because this is not actually the full musical staff. The full musical staff has 5 horizontal lines and 4 spaces between them. How many lines does this staff have? Yeah, only 3. That's okay. We don't need all of them today because we're not using all the notes. Okay, so if that's our musical staff, let's get our ladder onto that staff and find out where each of these notes are. Let's start by putting this symbol up here. This little equal sign is going to tell us where something very important is. It is telling us where our home note, which is do, is. Looks like it's down on that very bottom space below the bottom line there. Now, do can move around. It could be anywhere else on this staff. We just are going to decide to put it on the bottom space today. Now, if this bottom space is do, what's the very next step up on this line? That's right, it would be re. Do, re, space to line. They're neighbors, so they're neighbors here too. Okay, what about if re is on the line, what's the next step up on this space? That would be mi. And then what would the next line be? That's right, that'd be fa. And how about the next space? Next step up is so. Okay, and what about the next step up on this line here? That's right, that'd be la. And now, what about this space that's above our top line here? That would have to be t, yeah. What about high do? Do we have any more room to show it right now? Not really. So here's our scale, our ladder, but shown on the staff. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, la, ti. And high do somewhere. Okay, but we said we aren't using all of them today, so let's take away the ones we're not using. And we're left with mi, so, and la. Now let's check out where each of these are on our staff today. How about mi? Is it on a line or is it in a space between 2 lines? That's right, it's in a space. What about so? Is it on a line or in a space? Yeah, it's also in a space. That makes sense because they weren't neighbors on the staff. We had fa in between. So since they're not neighbors on the staff, they skip over one spot, the line between. So mi to so are both on spaces. Okay, and what about la? Is it on a line or in a space? That's right, it's on a line because we said so and la are close together. They are neighbors, so they'll go from space to line. Okay, why is all of this important where mi and so and la are on the staff? Well, because instead I'm just going to put a pattern of notes up here. Ooh, so we just have circles showing some notes instead of words. So what is this pattern saying? Do you think you can help me figure it out? Let's take a look. It looks like we have a note on a higher space, not on a line, and then a lower space, and then a higher space, and a lower space. So using so, la, and mi, do you remember which ones were which? What's this one? And then this one? And then this one? And then this one? Yeah, we've got so, mi, S short for so, M short for me. Let's sing that. My turn, your turn. Use your hand signs. So, mi, so, mi. Awesome. Hey, you just read some music off the staff. Okay, let's check out some more patterns and see if you can figure them out. What would this one be? Take a few seconds to look at it. What's our pattern now? All right, let's see if you got it right. I'll sing it and you sing it back and see if you're right. So, so, mi, mi. Is that what you got? Nice job. Let's try several more here. What about this one? See if you can figure out what this says. We've got what? I hope you got so, so, mi, so. Okay, let's check out another one here. This one should be really easy. In fact, I bet you could sing this one without me even helping you. Ready, go. Yeah, those are all so. So, 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 so. Okay, what else have we got? What's this one start on? Yeah, it's the lower space, so that's got to be mi. So we've got mi, so, so, mi. Okay, what about this pattern? It's a little different than the last one. Have you got it yet? Let's see if you're right. My turn, then your turn. Mi, so, mi, mi. Okay. Whoa, check out this one. We've got a note on a space, but then this one is on a line, and then back to the space. So what is this pattern showing? That's right, we've got so, la, so. Yeah, our top line was la today, so we've got so and la, which are neighbors, close to each other. Okay, what about this one that uses la? Let's see if you can figure it out. What is it? Did you get so, la, la, so? Okay. Ooh, tricky one. This is using 3 completely different notes. Looks like it's going from lowest to highest. So what's the pattern have to be? You sing it. So what's the pattern have to be? Tell me what it is. We've got mi, so, la. Nice job. Let's sing it. My turn. Mi, so, la. Okay, and what if it goes the other way? What would this be? Top one is la, and then so, and then mi. Let's sing it. La, so, mi. Okay, let's do some tricky ones here at the end. Using mi, so, and la. Let's see if you can tell me what this pattern would be. You say it. Did you get so, la, so, mi? Okay, what if it kind of goes the other way? Goes down first and then back up. What would we have? We've got the top space, so, and then mi, back to so, and last is la. Let's sing it. So, mi, so, la. All right, I have one more to test you out here. Check out this pattern. Let's see what we've got. See if you can read it. What's this one? That's right, that's so. And then it goes down to mi, but then it skips all the way up to la and back to so. Oh my goodness, this one's kind of tricky because it has that big leap. But luckily, this pattern shows up a lot in a lot of songs. You'll recognize it. My turn, your turn. So, mi, la, so. Yeah, kind of like lots of playground games. So, mi, la, so, mi, la, so, or na, 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 boo, boo. All of those use so, mi, la, so. Thanks for practicing reading some patterns on the staff and the solfege ladder with me. I hope you learned something new and interesting today.